Hello boys and girls, this is Miss Aguilar and I'm going to show you how to use your watercolor set. Watercolors are a paint that needs water to make it work. So in this set you'll have a paintbrush. So you just open it up and right here you can pick it up. Okay, and you'll also get a little water cup, a paper towel, and your white paper. So since we've been talking about rainbows, we're going to start by painting a rainbow, and we're going to try to do our rainbow in the correct order. Now there's some colors we do not have for our rainbow, but we'll just do our best, okay? So step one is you get your brush wet. Don't tap on the edge of your cup, just wipe on the edge of your cup if you have extra water dripping. And then you go to the red. The red is right here. This is orange and this is yellow. So remember, red is first on our rainbow. So we're just going to swish it. Don't poke your brush, just swish it. And then make your big, I'm going to get a little bit more paint. There we go. And make your big rainbow. Now, I ran out of paint halfway. So you get a little bit more and keep going. Okay. Do it again. Keep going. So you may have to use, see how I'm dipping back into the water? Okay. So you may have to do it more than once to complete your rainbow. See how I'm running out over here? Keep going. Nice soft strokes. So there's my red. Next will be orange. So I'm going to do the same thing with orange. Get it wet. Swish it. Don't poke it. And do your red stripe, or excuse me, orange. And you notice how I keep going back and forth? Water, paint, water, paint. Okay. Next, you might want to let it dry a second. See how it's blending together? That's because I need to let it dry. So what color's next? Yellow. Right? Good. Then there's yellow. Yellow. So you just keep going. Painting your rainbow. Next you have green. So you've got to skip this blue and then go to the green. You're going to get it wet. And then do your green. Now there we go. Just get a little bit, there's a bright green. Okay, next, blue. Swish, and then do your blue. Ooh, that's a pretty blue, isn't it? Blue. And then indigo. This is just a darker blue. Okay, don't use the ones on the end. There we go. Okay, now here's the tricky part. So we want to have violet next, don't we? But there's no violet here. There's just black and brown. So what you can do for your last one is try layering red. So do a little bit of red. Let it dry a second. Right here. And then get a little bit of blue and put it on top. You get kind of a purplish color. Okay, so that's how we mixed red and blue. That's how we get purple or violet. There we go. See, now it's looking a little more violet. So you can try that out for your last rainbow stripe. So that's learning how to use our watercolors, boys and girls. Remember though, please, to be very careful with your water. And you just dip a little bit in your water. If your brush gets too wet, you can dry it here. Or if it gets dirty, and you just dip in the water, then very carefully you're going to swish in your paint. Okay? So I can't wait to see your watercolor rainbows.